buddy, here's your rematch. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I just got at the barbershop, shot my boy Chris. Got me looking fresh. I'm gonna bring you guys another Q50 video because for some reason I feel like you guys really like the Q50. The Q50 videos are doing better than the Z videos, which is kind of funny to me, but that's super dope. It's super dope to know that you guys like the build and support it. Thank you guys so much. It makes me not want to sell it. I know I've said it in a couple of the past videos that I kind of do want to sell it or trade it in. But like seeing how well the videos do, like I kind of don't want to sell it. Cause don't get me wrong, I like the car, but sometimes I just want to, like, sometimes in life I don't know, I feel like you should always want something better. But I don't know, I might just end up keeping it. I don't know, I'll see. But anyways, so as you guys see by today's title of the video, I'm gonna be going on a little canyon run, but this time with the Q50. For it being a sedan and automatic, it still is kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm very excited to see how it sounds downshifting with all the walls, with like the mountain walls surrounding me. It's gonna be very loud. I'm gonna go ahead and meet up with my boy Eric. He's gonna go with me in his Z. And yeah, just make this a banger video, guys. Go ahead and meet up with Eric. Wow, as I was trying to delete. Oh, a GTR, sick! Oh, that's beautiful, bro. Literally, so beautiful. Alright, Kale, as I was trying to delete some footage off this camera, I deleted the clip where I met up with Eric. So I'm with my boy Eric in his 350Z. We're about to go up to the canyon, get this canyon run for you guys. Dip and now my exhaust sounds weird, bro. I better not crack it, bro. I'm gonna cry. Oh yeah, we're entering the canyon now. That's loud. God, Eric, bro. Ooh, trash. You didn't bring a sweater?
No, I left it in the car.
Nice. That was pretty fun.
Hell
Dude,
yeah.
it's cold in here.
Look, there's snow.
I know. Let's go snowboard or what?
Let's go.
Bro, you're tripping. No sweater. Dude, I'm freezing.
I didn't think it was gonna be that cold.
Bro, like you only see the mountains right there.
Anything, dude.
Why, it's loud? Alright, guys. Alright, guys.
Oh, it's fucking cold.
Go ahead and get a little walk around with the cars up here in the mountains. First time the Q has been in the mountains.
Ready?
Yeah. What a fail, bro. And the Q still looks sicker there. Just go, just go. Pretty solid. Go ahead. Alright, buddy, here's your rematch.
Alright, hold on.
You want me to give you the hit?
Do you want me to?
I'll save the video. Don't. Focus on not crashing.
Ready?
Nah. I'll let you honk it.
I'll let you. Alright.
For some reason, always on the way down, I like to just cruise. Like, just coast. Not do any pulls, not drive dumb, just coast. It's therapeutic. It's funny because now that I'm just cruising down, it feels and sounds like a bone stock car, like a luxury car, which this is a luxury car, I guess. It's kind of cool. But like, I mean, I forgot that I was driving my Q50. Maybe I should have just left this one stuck. What do you guys think? I don't know if I'm going to sell the TOMEI, but I think I am going to sell my test pipes, get some art pipes. Those are the ones that are on the Z. That way it'll sound a little bit less obnoxious and a little better. Oh, it's going to sound a lot better, actually. Resonated test pipes. More than art pipes are the, in my opinion, the best sounding test pipes you can get for EBQ. It's probably a couple of those. Some of those, actually, because it's more than one. It's two of them.